This guide will help you optimize your EA FC25 server timeout settings for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to minimize server timeout issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection if possible, as it usually provides a more reliable signal compared to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Adjust router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. This can help reduce lag and improve connection stability during gameplay. Step 3. Update game and console. Make sure that both your game and console are updated to the latest versions. Developers often release patches that can improve server connectivity and performance. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster public DNS like Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can improve your connection speed and reduce timeout issues. Step 5. Contact support. If you continue to experience timeout issues, reach out to EA support for assistance. They may provide specific solutions or updates regarding server status. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your server timeout settings and enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your time on the field.